You're looking at 2005 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. This bike is brought to you by American Motorcycle Trading Company, Arlington, Texas. This bike has pretty much been tricked out head to toe. It's got a slick looking two-tone paint job. Harley-Davidson on the side of the tank. Loaded up, chrome rear swing arm, chrome rear axle covers. It's had the bags deleted. Nice performance mufflers. Cool looking chrome cover there on the air breather. Some nice half moon Harley floorboards. Chrome front end. Really is a slick bike overall. Upgraded bars. Chrome perches. Chrome levers. Upgraded grips. Chrome rear pulley cover. Chrome inner primary. Chrome engine cover. Upgraded shifter linkage. Upgraded horn. Head bolt covers. It's a cool bike overall. Lots of money spent. Has right at 14,614 miles. Has a alarm. Really is a nice running bike. Again, this 2005 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail is brought to you by American Motorcycle Trading Company, Arlington, Texas. Thanks.